Hello. So we're going to start out here to solve each quadratic equation. So we're going to solve each uh, by step and find out what would be the right answer down then. Okay, so for the first one here is we have for the A. So A is equal is we have then is 4x squared is equals to 100 then. Now, so this time is we're going to divide both sides by we're going to divide both sides by 4, so that's going to give us with answer for that one is x squared is equals to 25. Now, as we know, we're going to square for that one. So the square of 25, okay, so square of x squared and square of 25 then. So that's going to give us with the answer of x is equals to, we know that 25 is a positive over negative. That's going to be about 510. Or we can write it down as x equals to positive 5 or x is equals to negative 5. So that is how we solve out for this one